Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are safe and healthy. If you are new to this channel, then don't forget to watch my previous videos on INBDE, NBDE Part 1 question series. And before I continue this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch every video that I post every day. And don't forget to like, comment, share my videos with your friends if you like the content. So let's start with today's question and answer series. Alright. So the first few slides will always give you the answers to my previous videos, 10 unsolved questions. So please compare your answers if you have tried solving those. Moving to the next slide. So here are the next 10 question and answers. In the last slide, alright. So with this last slide, I'm sharing the next 10 unsolved questions. So please pause the video and spend some time to find the answers to these. I will provide answers to all of these in my next video so that you can compare. Again, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch every video, and don't forget to like, comment, share if you like the content. Bye for now.